Hi everybody, Marcy here, and I wanted to show you a quick flip through of my second entry into Dear Julie and Kara Brandon's Spring Stashbuster Junk Journal Challenge. Here I've got my second journal. It is 11 1/4 inches tall by 8 1/2 inches wide, which is why this became a journal. This is a book cover. I took the pages out and I expanded the spine and turned it into what will be my nature glue book. I put many of the pages back in. I went through and pulled out some pages that I might want to use in journals. The rest of them I put back in along with some scrapbook paper scraps or some just scrapbook paper that I've had for some time and won't use, some other little papers that I have left. I'm not going to walk you through every page. This journal has a total of 55 sheets to make a total of 220 pages. And it is just a glue book. There's really nothing to see yet. I haven't glued anything in. And just used a variety of papers that I had laying around trying to bust my stash. The one thing I was really excited about with this journal is this is a fabric cover, and it's my most successful fabric cover thus far. It's nice, it's smooth, it's crisp around the edges, no bubbles. So I was really proud of that. As I say, progress not perfection. I'm considering that huge progress for me. So anyway, that's really about it. Like I said, I'm not going to flip you through each and every page. There aren't any pretty pockets, no, absolutely zero embellishments. It will be exactly what I said, just busting my stash to make a glue book. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.